Jenny from Boracay. I will be sharing with you guys another makeup tutorial. Share ko lang sa inyo yung makeup na nilalagay ko sa face ko whenever I'm at the beach. Lalagay pa rin naman ako ng konting makeup. Hindi naman ako magkukunwaring no makeup ako. Natatawa ko kasi kasama ko si Katnan.
Alam! Taba ako, shit.
Anyway guys, I'm gonna start off with sunblock. So I am using the Cetaphil sunblock. Ito siya. Wala akong mirror, so kayo yung mirror ko. Ito ang tinuro ko sa skincare ko. Ilalagay ako sa neck. All the way to your neck. Unless na gusto nyong hindi pantay. Tulad ng akin. Hindi pantay yung leg tsaka yung mukha. After putting my sunblock, I head on to my trusty concealer, which is the MAC. Ilang beses ko na yata na-share sa inyo tong concealer na to. Kasi isa lang ang concealer na ginagamit ko. Dalawa na ang audience ko, si Chao Campo tsaka si Katman.
Follow us.
Wow.
Kahit voice lang.
Yan, tulog siya.
Uy, kita ba?
Hi.
Naghanap ako na.
Kita ka ba? Then, I head on to my brows. Dahil hindi naman ganun kakapal ang kilay ko, I use the Benefit Gimme Brow. Just the gel. Para natural. Wait, wala akong mirror. Ang hirap. After brows, I curl my lashes. Kung curious kayo ano yung case ko, it's Quando. Lalagay ko na lang yung pangalan dito. After curling my lashes, I use my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline The Falsies. Basta ito. Shinare ko na din to sa inyo sa Get Ready With Me video. This is my favorite mascara. Ito lang yata yung mascara na hindi nagsismudge sa akin. I've tried like different mascaras already na waterproof, pero parati pa rin nagsismudge. I use the Benefit Hoola. I always bring the mini version. Super cute. Kasi may brush na din siya. Then for my cheeks, I use the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade of Beam. Ito yung nagpapa sun-kissed look sa akin. Yung Beam. Kasi medyo coral yung color niya. Wala, ang dami ko ito nalagay. So usually naglalagay ako sa cheeks all the way to the nose bridge. So hanggang dito. Ganyan. For my lips, I use my favorite Benetint from Benefit. As in, isang ganun lang. This is my beach makeup look. Then I finish off with my hair. I use the sea salt hairspray from Penshop. Sobrang bango nito. Sobrang bango nito. Sobrang bango niya. So actually, I think this is their new product. Pinadala lang nila to. Tapos spray nila lang ng ganun. Actually, mas cute kapag nag-beach waves kayo. Pero since wala akong oras, hindi ako mag-beach waves. Ganito na lang. Tsaka mas maganda guys pag wala kayong bangs. Hindi natural.
Ayaw mo talaga sa bangs.
Sorry, hindi lang komportable sa bangs. So, yun yung mga products na nilalagay ko sa face ko. Super quick lang and konti lang din yung mga products na ginagamit ko because you want to keep it natural and sun-kissed. And if you guys are wondering where my swimmies are from, it's also from Penshop and also my shorts. So, my full outfit is from Penshop. Super cute. I love the colors. And super ganda ng collection, ng swimwear collection. And I'm currently in Boracay right now. Watch out for my Boracay video coming up I think next week or next week, I'm gonna do it fast. Thank you so much guys again for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you learned a thing or two. Also, don't forget to comment on the comment section whatever comments you want to drop. Go guys. And don't forget to subscribe on that. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. I missed you. I hope you missed me too. Sorry for not being able to upload last week. So, yun na yan guys. I'm really gonna end this video. Thank you so much again for watching. See you next week. Wala, kung gusto nyo makita kung saan kayo nakalagay dahil wala akong dalang tripod. Dyan. Here. Pinagpatong-patong ko yan lahat. And then, ito yung light na ginamit ko. Natural light. Pero sobrang silaw. Anyway, yun na talaga. Bye guys! See you next week!